Welcome back. Doing a Speedway. If you're new, welcome. Here's the one of the signs Karen made up. My wife, Daisy. Hot Wheels thing. I come out of a Hot Wheels set. But, all right. We've already ran the IROC class. The iRocket class, because he wins it every time. All the time. There he is.
I lost once.
He's the guy that always wins it. I had to show you something a little different here. Oh yeah, I destroyed that in the IROC class. So, well, yeah, we're getting ready to run stock car class. I spent a lot of time cleaning the track. Everything's all shiny now and stuff.
Ready, set, go.
Well, we need some Martian. So, anyhow.
Yeah.
Shout out to all our new fans. Got a few new people signed up. A couple people made some comments. There's been a guy I've been following for a little while. He's Slot Valley Racing. He's kind of grown fast. He's got like just celebrated 1,000 viewers or something. He does a lot of car reviews when a new car comes out, stuff like that. His channel's pretty cool the way he sets everything up. Tim Wolf, he's been following us forever. He's always making comments. But you got any comments, hey, just ask. We'll be happy to answer them. So,
and we'd love to hear where you're from. Put that too. We
yeah,
love
we're
it.
From Belleville, Ohio.
If you're watching us in California, down in Texas, wherever, we want to know. Ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's the spot.
Clear race leader. Driver this lap. Driver this lap.
The Rocket. Back up.
Clear race leader.
Wow, see that?
Oh,
Flew
Did
off the
not.
end of the track.
Yellow?
yep.
Jumped off. Okay, anybody see me? Here I am.
Oh, somebody else just jumped off the track.
How's that happening?
Wait.
That ain't happened in a while. A while. You need a yellow flag?
This lap.
Yeah. Yellow flag.
Yellow flag.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, yeah, complete separation.
Oh, man.
No wonder that was sending you for a.
That'll do her. It's even
Yeah,
taped together.
that's hard on your pin.
Yeah.
Shot on the car.
Okay, sorry about that.
There you go. Hey now. Settle down. Settle down, man.
Stop right here. Oh, hey, that sounded better, didn't it?
Leaving a piece of tape under there.
Apparently, it's not stuck on both sides.
All right. When you turn it on, watch and make sure we all get a lap.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Rocket will be first.
1, go.
I don't know.
Yes, we did. I can tell. I got it.
White,
Well, I heard a beep,
white right there.
Yeah, but I looked at it.
White, white right there. White.
Yeah, red. Don't pick me up and stick me in yellow. That wasn't cool.
Driver this lap.
I was. He picked me up and stuck me in yellow to pick Robert.
This lap.
Oh, rolling across Zeke's garage.
13. And Rocket in white with 11. Peggy in yellow with 11.
Halfway through the race.
And Zeke in blue with 10.
Driver this lap.
Gunderson is too soon.
Driver
Blue
this
lane
lap.
still keeping the muscle, baby. You have to slow
This
down here.
lap. Driver this lap.
Like here. You have to, this is right.
Yellow.
Driver this lap.
Yeah.
Oh, on
Rocket's breathing on my neck.
Driver this lap.
Oh, rolled it up there.
60 seconds left.
Yellow.
Driver this lap.
This is the spot. That needs to
30
go.
seconds left.
Yeah, your turn's coming, baby.
I know.
20 seconds left.
Easier said than done.
Where'd I go?
I don't know. I don't. Oh, there you are.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds left. Oh no!
5 seconds left.
Oh!
Heat over.
Ah, couldn't make it.
All right. Dewey takes it in the red lane with 29.
Oh man, I could have had 30. Could have
Rocket
had
in
30.
white with 27. Zeke in blue with 21. And Peg in yellow with 21.
Wow.
What are you racing, Daisy?
Track is zinging,
Yes.
zinging, zinging.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, if you got any ideas for a different view, man, we'll check her out. What we got here? Gotta go a little slower here.
Whoa.
Show you the pit area.
As Karen was saying, this area right here.
He's hot.
See there?
Oh, yeah, here we go. Here's her. Here's my dentist. She's in Lexington. But if you're ever in Ohio and you need some eye assistance, Ohio Eye. This is my nephew, Dr. Matt Olson. Check you right out. Get your pair of glasses.
Red starts in 30 seconds.
Oh, we gotta get going here.
Seconds right there. Oh.
Over here goofing around. We ain't getting any practice laps in. Hey.
I don't need to practice, I'm just that good.
I know, me too, but it's always to get a good feel for the lap, at least make one lap.
Dale Jr.
Race
is
starts in
fast.
10 seconds.
He's so shiny that it's
Race
stuck
starts
for
in
arrows.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
My car go.
New heat leader. Best heat lap.
Oh my goodness.
Driver best lap. Driver best lap.
Oh, the Rocket it's off track.
New race leader.
Off track again.
That's because you keep it tagging.
Sideways down the hill. Oh, there's
New
the
race
white
leader.
Rolls Royce, yellow. Still on. There I am.
New race leader. New race leader.
Take out half the field.
Take that.
New race leader.
Rocket 11 and 12 in red. Daisy 11 in white. Dewey 9 in yellow. And Hank 5 in blue.
Yeah, I'm having trouble on blue.
I'm struggling. If she's doing that blue lane, I am not looking forward to it.
New race leader.
Rocket and Daisy battling it out.
Watching you.
2 minutes left.
Sir, can you please take your belly off the track? It's falling.
I put my belly on my computer, Craig.
Oh no!
Where
Oh
am I
no!
at? Oh, Bummy! Bummy
Oh,
and
I'm
White!
not-
Bummy
I'm
and
not-
White! I'm not in it! Oh, thank you.
I only had 2 hands.
Oh, the rocket!
Driver best lap.
Oh, Gummy.
Oh no!
Driver best lap.
Close racing between Daisy and the
New
Rocket.
race leader.
Oh no! I'm off again.
Oh, where am I? Oh, thank you.
New race leader. 60 seconds left.
Out of control.
Oh no!
Out of
Again.
control.
Another incident I've been
And if I was you, I'd be on eBay looking for myself a new Jimmy Johnson. You have not had a good round since you got that Jimmy Johnson car.
Oh, water and white. Mountain red.
Oh,
30
White's not
seconds
in
left.
white. White needs to go in white. Thank you.
Oh, a lot of action.
Jimmy Johnson blew it up twice.
20 seconds left.
Yellow.
Come on.
Well, I'm not going.
New heat leader.
Where am I? I don't know.
10 seconds left.
Oh, there I am.
Right there.
I got it.
5 seconds left.
5 seconds. Get him in.
He's over.
Heat over.
Dang it.
Rocket and Daisy tied it up at 28.
Dun-dun-dun.
And I got it with the lap time.
Okay, what I got?
Peg got
Rocket
me
red 28.
with 10 100ths of a
Daisy
second.
white 28.
Holy moly. Good race.
Dewey yellow 24.
That was close.
Peg 15 in
You
blue.
were actually
Oh my
ahead,
gosh, that
I
was
know.
bad.
but not enough.
It was momentarily. It was just momentary. Yes.
Wow, that was worse
It
than my
was-
21.
That was bad.
Short-lived.
If I go to yellow, looks like Dewey kind of, well, I don't know, maybe we were just faster. Thought you were struggling in yellow, but 24 ain't awful.
I was a little bit.
There's your valuable wreck time. Watch out, blue right there.
I'm on it down.
Race starts in 30 seconds.
Something about the track in the blue lane there. You used to be able to go a lot faster.
Yeah. Not now, man.
No.
In
I I think he
Not
just got
the
more
lane it
power.
once
I don't
was.
think he got to go faster. I just think he can go faster. I don't know.
Race starts in
Did you
10
fucking-
seconds.
You know, I go airborne.
Thank you.
Here?
Used to be
Yeah.
a
Race starts in 5 seconds.
You can always
5
get closer.
seconds.
Which is 10.
5, 4, 3,
Sorry.
2, 1, go!
Squeeze blue!
Oh,
Squeeze blue, baby!
New heat leader.
oh, I'm sorry.
I am the new heat leader because
Best heat lap.
Does everybody rest?
it's a new race that I'm supposed to do.
Oh, blue.
That's what I'm saying.
New heat leader. New heat leader.
What I'm waiting for is new race leader. That's what I want to do.
New heat leader. New heat leader. New heat leader.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm stuck.
That's a hard place.
You're doing some fancy stuff down here too.
Oh, everybody's off over here. Blue, white.
Get off on white, yeah.
I'm somewhere. I'm somewhere. Yeah, there I am. Thank you.
Blue.
New heat leader.
Dang you, Dewey.
New heat leader.
Must have got that blue lane zoned in.
New heat leader. New race leader. 2 minutes left.
Killing me, small.
You really right off the daggone road, man. But
Well, it's a squeeze play.
New race leader.
Okay, carry me around the track, meet. Whatever it takes, man.
Hey, whatever it takes, man. Just
Oh,
stall
it's
it,
fine.
I
You
don't care
can
what
blue
it
lane,
takes.
blue lane.
Oh, man, I'm in the white lane.
Driver best lap.
Oh,
Please play it again! Think you'd learn.
blue.
Oh!
Sorry, Dewey.
Standing up on my side.
60 seconds left.
Get her together.
He's back in the lead, but baby.
New heat leader.
Oh, man.
oh, crap.
Where am I?
Bridge and buckle.
Right there.
30 seconds left.
Poor pedestrians taken out along with the bridge. Rocking just shot through.
I feel like it's close. I
20
can't look away.
seconds left.
Oh, whoa! Deep's on red.
Where am I? I was in there somewhere. I'm in the white lane going backwards.
New heat leader. Seconds left.
I should have
5 seconds left.
my fault. I didn't get the lap because I should have pushed that.
Heat over.
Ah. Woo!
Wow, that one was
Dadgummit.
intense.
Woo! That was, because for a minute there,
Look.
Dewey was in the lead, and now look. And
Oh,
once
and now
again,
look.
we tied.
Tied, and I beat you by lap time.
And you beat me by 4 1,000ths
Thousandths.
of a second.
4 1,000s.
4 1,000ths of a second.
But all that matters is I'm on top.
Yeah. Come on, let's move.
Oh, you got it. Where you at? Dewey 26 in blue, Zeke 17 in white.
Where'd my car go? Did you take my car off?
Yeah.
I see.
You have been removed.
Let me clean them tires. Holy cow. Good racing again, Daisy. That was exciting. And I was like in third for the longest time, and I was just.
Oh, here, we'll show this little gas little place down here. Godzilla.
Them clean tires just giving me the edge.
Is that it? What am I doing?
Pick this new little lift up at Hobby Lobby.
I wonder where you got that.
Dewey tries to be.
They got a set of series. There's
Sorry.
Goodyear and a couple other places. I forget.
Whoa.
Race starts in 30
Can you
seconds.
put me back on white? Thank you.
Ooh, white's gonna be tough, isn't it?
Just, yeah.
Line you up.
Yep, please.
We're back over there? Okay.
Back over there.
Back
Race
over
starts
there.
in 10 seconds.
Over there.
10 seconds.
Race
Yeah, you
starts
better
in
be on your
5
game
seconds.
here, Marshall.
Last heat.
And get the bridge back up.
See if I can sweep
People
are
sweep all
4,
four.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Go,
Blue,
baby, go.
blue
Go,
me.
go. It wasn't you. Just keep going.
I gotta try not to do that anymore.
Oh, white.
Fifth lap. Fifth lap.
That would be me.
Oh, that'd be me. Blue.
Daisy out front.
Oh, pile up at the corner.
I
Leaking
told
the
you
rocket.
the Marshall's gonna need to be on the game. Busy talk.
Fifth lap.
That's me again.
There's a bit to go.
Oh no!
Daisy 9, Rocket 7, 8, Seat 6, Peggy 4.
Oh, rocket upside down again.
Ah. White.
Oh, I'm in the way.
Oh.
It's like trying to catch a mouse. In the car gets in somebody else's home.
Like every time I go around that corner.
This area
Two
here, right?
looks left.
You gotta slow down.
Is that the trick?
Yes!
Blue,
Oh,
Keep
where are you
going.
guys supposed to be?
white or red?
Oh, yeah, baby. Hell yeah.
Daisy 18, Rocket 16,
White.
Seat 13, Peggy 9.
Oh!
Those forward ain't running so good.
Well, it's running good. It just likes to push behind in around the front. More worried about doing tricks.
Here's a big trophy drop.
My car is running good. Yellow.
What are you doing over there?
I don't know.
2 seconds left.
Daisy 24, Rocket 22, Seat 18, 13.
Oh.
Not gonna catch me like
Oh,
that.
I'm fixing right deal. Oh, blue.
30 seconds left.
down, Sarah.
10 seconds left.
Oh,
5 seconds left.
I can't make it.
There I am.
Heat over.
Over. Daisy was 31 in the red lane. Go
Okay.
Daisy.
Yellow lane.
Yellow lane. I'm colorblind today, man.
31?
Yeah, baby.
Huh. And,
Rocket was 27 in blue.
Red goes to yellow. And then he's out.
and
Zeke,
Oh, the number 17 car right there. I go into white lane.
22?
Yeah.
And Peggy. I
Peggy,
don't know what
16
Peggy
in
is.
white.
I have in my hand.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wrong one. 16 in white.
Ooh.
Blocking the road. White lane and red lane. There you go.
Oh, wait, that's wrong.
That was a good deal here. You could win this.
I know, I'm excited.
You definitely got one still hanging out there in the way.
You. Can you get me on the downhill right there?
Race starts in 30 seconds.
Can't push that big old Thunderbird. Whoa!
No.
Oh no! Where the heck's the marshal?
This area right here,
Race
Blake.
starts in 10
Remember?
seconds.
Father, yeah.
I'm
Race
not
starts
really
in 5
technically
Hey
on
man,
duty.
grab
for-
my car and throw it at the beginning line.
Technically not on duty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Route leader.
Oh no! I'm doing blue, 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 blue.
Route leader.
Ah, dang it!
Oh,
Gotta slow down.
white there. Oh, I'm in the runaway.
Race left.
Give me the, it goes back over here in white.
Oh, right up, right into the bridge.
Under the bridge, I see it.
Oh,
Ah.
God.
Ah!
Route leader.
That's Dewey in the lead. Daisy was 6.
Oh, my body, come on.
Route
I
leader.
ain't got time to fix your car, man.
Huh?
I don't have time to fix your car.
Come on.
Route leader.
White.
Ah! Oh, that's me.
Oh man.
Oh, blue!
I'll try not to do that anymore. Yeah, I won't do that no more.
I can't say that because usually next time I do it.
Two minutes left.
Daisy's in the lead.
Oh, you can say it again. I can never hear it enough.
Dewey's in second.
Where's Dewey go? Oh man, he's under the
Here we are,
bridge.
under the bridge. The major pile up under the bridge. Dewey's stuck in the pin.
It's like I'm racing with myself.
Sorry, Zeke, about the delay.
Hey, my friend. Yeah, you did it once again. I'll try not to do that again.
Oh my goodness, what happened there? White light.
Oh,
Yellow?
White. Right there. Right there.
oh, blue. Ah, I didn't slow down.
Told me.
We're doing so well. Wow.
The madhouse. That's
Now
right.
where am I? Right there. I-
Oh, I give up.
Oh well, hey, I'm holding my own at last place. Keeping my spot.
You're on the track.
That's right.
Bad day on the track is a better day than at home.
That's right.
White.
Oh, red.
Race leader. That's what I
White.
was listening for. Finally had enough points to knock the rocket out off his pedestal and his race. Oh,
I don't know what happened, but it worked out.
Doing nothing.
Race over. That was
You over
incredible. Incredible. Incredible.
Ah,
Race over.
26.
Over.
And
Man, that's
Dewey,
gonna be a
23.
Tough decision one there.
And Zeke 20.
I think Daisy's got it there.
Yeah, but who's getting second?
16.
Well,
Who's
Rocket.
first loser?
Yeah.
No.
Who is the first loser?
Who's gonna be first loser?
Me.
No, that'll be me.
It is
The Rocket.
Rocket.
Whoa.
I know
Daisy
you.
takes
I know you
it.
wanted. You thought you had a better score, but
Oh,
it
wait,
wasn't.
you do it. 1, 1, 4, and Rocket
did.
with 1, 1, 1.
Yep.
And it's
102.
Dewey with 102.
The Dewey. The Dewey.
And then Zeke,
Zeke with
with
80.
80.
At least I'm being consistent.
Yeah.
All
and
right.
Peg
We're
with
hearing about them races.
68.
That was craziness.
Okay,
Rough racing
Hey,
All
Hey,
right.
I just want to thank my mechanic, that would be the Dewey, for having my
Dewey.
car
Ah.
running wonderfully.
Okay, well, you're still
Thank
behind
you.
overall.
You know, we still have 2 more races though, Rocket.
Yeah, stick around. We'll film Formula One next.